I'm going to show you how to do a photo shoot for your Amazon listings.
When you pass by.
What's up, guys? TJ here with another video. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I release new videos. So today I'm doing a quick video just showing you how to set up a photo shoot for your Amazon or eBay listings. I just set up something real quick, and I'm going to show you exactly the process that I go through to photograph my products, and we're going to get into it right now. Alright, so these are all the things that you are going to need for this tutorial. I've got my cell phone, I've got all my items, I've got two backdrops that I was sent and I don't use, a black one and a white one. And also I have my light. You can use a lamp if you want to. I just had this light, so that's what I used. You just want to put your item right there in the center of the backdrop, and you want to take your picture. You can use a DSLR, you can use a point and shoot, you can use your cell phone, whatever you want to do, you can do so. The most important thing is you want to make sure that you don't cast any shadows if you can help it. As you can see, I used like some kind of bootleg prop there. As long as you can't see it, use whatever you can to prop your stuff up. Amazon said they were cutting down on things that you use for propping because I guess people were like saying, oh no, I didn't get that piece of styrofoam that you used to prop up the item with. So anyway, just make sure that you cut out anything that you use to prop it because people, I guess, are complaining about not getting those items with their item that they ordered. Okay, so I'm going to show you the black background now. Now the black background is probably going to be better used for things that are white or a lighter color. Sometimes you have issues with cropping out the background if it's a white background and a white product. So I'm just kind of showing you that here. This would be really good for shooting a photo of something for eBay where the photo requirements aren't as stringent. So you know, I'm going to take a few pictures. I'm going to show exactly some different poses. I always try to differentiate mine from other people, so I go and look, especially if it's an item that other people sell, and see the different ways that they have pictures, and then I take pictures that maybe could stand out in the search because that's what you want. So yeah, just take you a few different pictures. I rather have more pictures than not enough pictures. And that's all we use. All right, so we're going to jump over to photofuse.com, FOTOFUZE.com, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use this piece of software. Now, I did do this in a previous video. Actually, if you look at the bottom of those watches down there, I did in the previous video. But this is the 2018 version, and I don't just use PhotoFuse. Now I use Photoshop. Because they do have a really cool quick selection tool that I'll show you here in a little bit in the video. So it does take a long time to do these, especially if you're not a pro member. It's going to take forever to load stuff. I'm actually speeding this video up to I think 300%. So that shows you how long it takes to actually do this. All right, so once you get your photos, you open it up, and you want to use the magic highlighter. You can use the regular highlighter. I use the magic highlighter because it's quicker, and you can erase out anything you don't want to. It's going to give you a little preview of what it's going to look like over in the right hand side. As I can see right there that it's going to have a little bit of a shine to it, and the reason it's having that shine is because of the way the light is actually hitting the product, and you can see the little red parts in the bottom corner. You probably need to reshoot your photo if you see that in your picture. Or you can use this next method, which is going to be the quick selection tool on Photoshop. So I'm going to do this one also kind of quickly, just showing you how to do it. You just basically just highlight it. I mean, it's not really like rocket surgery or anything like that. And as you can see the bottom part of that shadow still in the photo. Like I said, PhotoFuse is really good if you're doing a head-on shot and you don't have a lot of shadows. You're really going to want to use Photoshop if you have any shadows showing in your photo. So I'm going to show you that right now. White background, square, and then you pick your photo up and you click on the quick selection tool. If I can find it, there it is. No, it's the wrong one. There, nope. Okay, there we go. Quick selection, and you just click and drag, and it automatically gets the outline. And the quick selection tool actually does a really good job. Sometimes you have to zoom in to get really close to see what you're doing, but make sure that when you're doing your quick selection tool that you click on either plus or minus. If you want to expand the selection area, you want a plus. If you want to shrink the selection area, you want a minus. So that's what I'm showing you right now. Just going in there, and it really does it for you. You can really take your time and fine tune this and get really detailed, but that looks pretty good right there with the white background. Your item with the white background, that's what Amazon wants. That's what you need to give them. So like I said, you can zoom in and get really detailed on this, but the lines are fairly crisp just with the quick selection tool. Okay, so I'm going to show you here on this one. You want to make sure you take your props out, like I said earlier, because if you don't, people may complain that they didn't get whatever you're propping it up on with your package, and Amazon is trying to cut down on that. So just make sure that you zoom in and get all of that prop or whatever it is out of it. And like I said, it does a really good job of doing that. I got a bunch of errors here. I don't know what I was doing wrong. Oh, I wasn't deleting. I need to delete the layer. Let me delete that. There you go. All right. So that's your picture. White background, your photo, your item, I mean, whatever. It's easy. So I'm going to show you some examples of ones that I did before. So as you can see, I copied that one. That was a white watch on a white background. It didn't turn out too well. But these ones that have really popped colors, you can do really easily on PhotoFuse, really easily and really quickly. So if you don't have Photoshop, PhotoFuse is a really good program to use, because you can make those quick edits and get that white background. Like I said, I did all these. That's a white item on a white background, so it doesn't look very well. So yeah, I'm just showing you some examples of ones that I've done with PhotoFuse. This one does actually have the shadow in the background. It looks okay. I mean, it doesn't look bad. So that's why I said you just kind of have to do it, play around with it. Maybe over spray your highlight. Sometimes you have to go over the line and not, be right on the line with your highlight, because that software is going to try to calculate and take out things that are other than the item itself. So like I said, it works really well if you have something that has a pop color on it. So that's really going to be it for today, guys. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. When you pass by